Let's also discuss Lenskart. You talked about the eyewear part of Titan as well. Lenskart has come in as a big disruptor in this space, with its presence that's growing both nationally as well as internationally as well. Citi has initiated coverage now on Lenskart today with target price set at 500 rupees. Currently, it's quoting at 467. They do see about a 7 to 8% upside from here. They believe in the strong business model. The execution is definitely praised here. Valuation, however, they believe that could be capping the near-term upside. But why Citi likes Lenskart is due to the structural shift in the eyewear space, the eyewear evolving into a lifestyle category largely, how it's integrated the manufacturing and the D2C model, the tech-led focus, the data-driven supply chain, and the strong opening channel presence as well. Let's find out, what should be one's approach on Lenskart to, vis-a-vis Titan. What should be the approach there? Of course, Titan has a much larger conglomerate. Lenskart is just purely focused on eyewear. But like Citi's pointed out, that as a lifestyle category, as it is emerging, completely focused on tech, how would you look at Lenskart? Also, how would you put the valuation angle here?
Well, first of all, I think, I disagree with the tech part because it's a brick and mortar business. There's absolutely no two ways about it. You use tech on the back end to deliver some services, which pretty much everybody does. You speak to Titan, they will say they also use tech. But it's not a tech company. It's a brick and mortar company, which you and I go and, use their products and services. So it's not a tech company. So we don't want to give a tech valuation. And the problem with Lenskart has been, they've been deserving and they've been demanding and they've been trying to get a tech valuation. So I'm a little skeptical on Lenskart at this kind of elevated multiple. They have diversified into international markets, and probably that's a good step because definitely they've changed the way people look at eyewear retail as far as India is concerned. They definitely have done that, and that's why they're getting a valuation. And they can try doing the same thing in multiple other neighboring countries, which is what I think they're trying to do, and I think that's a great move. But as far as the valuation is concerned, I'll be very, very careful. I don't think we should buy into Lenskart at this level. Let's wait and watch. Let performance improve. Let the profitability deliver. Let them deliver on profitability and deserve and get to deserve the kind of valuation they are commanding today. It's a lot of excitement and hype at this stage. So I will stay away from Lenskart.
Stay away from Lenskart.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.